Hello, my name is Crystal Contreras, and this is the demo for our game engine for class SE485. Before I forget, I want to start off with showing that we do not have any memory leaks when we run our game engine. And here we have our world. So as you can see, we have four different primitive objects that we have created: a diamond, a cube, and two different types of pyramids. We have our triangular pyramids and a square pyramid, as you can see here from the bottom. And the square pyramids represent the trees, and they use a texture. So we have different textures here that we use, and manage and using our texture manager. We have multiple different managers. We have our input manager, our text, which takes in the keys and mouse clicks, and just handles like the camera with the key effects. We have a texture manager, node, mesh node manager, shader manager, and so on, which we'll discuss in a moment. So first thing is that we have these four different meshes, one for the cube, one for the square pyramid, one for the triangular one, and one for the cube. And so these have different textures or colors. For example, the grass uses actually a constant color. And let's see, zoom in. And we have different shading effects and lighting effects for the forest here that we have. As you can see when we move around the forest, how the lighting just reaches it from the top. And then for the wall that we just have a constant flat texture here. And then for our like diamond and our rectangles, we have just a wireframe. And as you've been able to tell, we have a camera that we can control what it's facing, and so allowing us to handle multiple cameras at once. We're able to zoom in and zoom out and just go around the world, basically 360 at any direction that we want. So the way we draw these objects are with a vertex buffer object. And first we hard code all the coordinates, and then we write all of that to a file. And so once it gets written and saved to the file, all we have to do is just read it in again. This is very efficient. And once we load the objects from the file, I have a game factory method that takes care of adding all the metadata to those meshes. And for example, here we go with the game factory. For example, when we create the trees, we have them, our managers are singletons, and they create like singletons of these trees, and we add them to our game object manager. And so we give them random positions. We created a trick function that can put them in random positions for the grass and the trees, and render our whole scene. So the game object manager uses a PCS tree to arrange and manage the scenes. And then we have a camera manager that supports multiple cameras and that can do things like zooming in and zooming out. And moving around and transitioning. Let's see. We have our texture manager and our mesh manager, as we discussed, and that's it.